Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Visual Studio installation error on your Windows. So if you encounter this kind of error, then let's go quick into the process. This is just a very simple tutorial. So first is you have to click on the Start button, go to Settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you just have to simply click on Windows Update. Click on this button right here. So we need to make sure that our Windows is updated or is up to date, because once our Windows is updated, we rarely face an issue. So once you're updated, close out of here and then try to install the Visual Studio again for this time. For the second method is if you are using any third-party antivirus softwares like any of the Avast, McAfee, or Malwarebytes, which are the commonly used third-party antivirus softwares, and you are using that, then we can temporarily disable that because that might block or interrupt the installation process. So what you can do, you just need to simply click on the show hidden icons on the taskbar. Here you can find Malwarebytes because I'm using it. In your case, it could be any third-party antivirus softwares. You simply make a right click and then select with Malwarebytes. And after you have temporarily disabled the antivirus, then we need to try installing the Visual Studio again. And for the next method is we can run the System File Checker Scan, or known as the SFC Scan. So in the Windows search bar, type CMD. On the right pane, you have to click on Run as Administrator. You should not open it right away because, as you can see, if you're going to open it right away, this will not work. So I'm going to search for CMD again. Click on Run as Administrator. Now here in this elevated command prompt to the administrative rights, type SFC space / scan now. It's SFC space / scan now, hit enter. So what this process will do is that this will repair and fix all system corrupted files, which is a very helpful fix. So while the process is going on, is you should not close the window. You can just simply minimize it and do your other task on your Windows. And once this is 100% completed, you just need to simply close out of here. Right click on the start button, shut down or sign out, restart your Windows, and after you have restarted your Windows, then you need to try installing the Visual Studio again. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.